I'm here at MediZen. I'm about to have a Hydrafacial done. This will be my second treatment I've had. I've had it done here before and I was really pleased with the results. The whole experience was ever so good, really relaxing, and yeah, my skin felt great afterwards. I really saw an improvement in the hydration of my skin. I currently work in an office, so I'm surrounded with air conditioning and heating, so that takes a lot of the moisture out of my skin, so I definitely saw an improvement in that. So I've come here today to have it done again, so hopefully the results will improve again.
What type of skin do you have?
I'd say more combination.
Okay. Is it more normal to oily or normal to dry?
Probably normal to dry. It used to be normal to oily, but I think as I've got older and also with working in an office with air conditioning, it does dry out my skin.
Okay, so I'm going to use the SkinCeuticals Gentle Cleanser. A little bit cold. And what's your main skin concerns at the moment?
I do have a lot of breakouts, usually around my jawline. I just usually get quite dry skin around my forehead as well.
I'm ready to begin. So, first stage is a cleanse. And just remember from before, it's like a small vacuum suction. It's going to be pumping out hydrating serums into your skin, and then at the same time it's got an abrasive tip, so that's going to help to give a good exfoliation and smooth the skin as well. Okay. Just going to slightly turn you. Feel nice and comfortable as well.
Yeah,
your skin will be just slightly pink afterwards. That normally goes within a couple of hours. Good thing about this, the results last for quite a while as well. Okay, I'm just making sure your face is dry, and then I'm going to use a very gentle peel. I don't think you had this last time, did you?
I don't think so. I think we discussed it, but having it done again.
Okay. So with the peel, it's using natural exfoliants.
Okay.
So it's using what's called salicylic acid and glycolic acid, and it's just going to help to give a deeper exfoliation on the skin. I'm just going to change over the tip. And this is where I'm going to begin to work on any areas you might have congestion. You might have any blocked spots, especially around your nose. You can just see it's a little bit blocked there.
I do suffer with blocked pores around my nose.
And then I think on your chin as well, this will be quite useful. All these blocked pores coming out here. It is nice, and it's a nice atmosphere, and you can just relax. And even though it is using a machine, it's just as relaxing as having a beauty salon facial.
Yeah.
And even for men as well, I'm finding a lot more men are coming in for Hydrafacials, which is quite nice. Okay, so I'm just going to remove some blocked pores. There's just a few left just on the nose area. So I just think this is somewhere where people try to get at themselves, but
It can look damaging.
yeah, they just go too far, squeeze too much.
They can spread it as well.
Oh yeah. At least now we've cleansed, exfoliated, the pores are nice and open. So they're actually coming out quite easily. You can actually see them there. I'm going to use a clay mask. And I've chosen this mask because you have got a few breakouts, and it's also good for any blocked pores, any open pores, so it's just going to help to close these pores down. And it does give a matte appearance on the skin afterwards.
I know when I've used like moisturisers before, and I think they've sometimes made my skin oily and break out because I suppose with the oils and
Yeah, it just blocks your pores again, doesn't it?
yeah.
So this is quite nice. We've already hydrated the skin. So, and what you can do at home, if you do have any areas of congestion, just apply some of this clay mask on once or twice a week. Any areas of dry patches you've got, then apply the hydrating gel to those areas. You don't have to use this all over. So I'm just going to change the tip again. So this is the third tip. It's not as abrasive. This one is more for applying some hydrating serum to the skin. So I've chosen blue LED light, and this is really good for any areas of breakouts. And what it does, it just helps to calm down any spots, and it helps to kill the bacteria as well. I don't feel any heat at all, very comfortable. So I've just changed to red light. This is good for pigmentation and also stimulating collagen as well. Most people that come in, ageing is something that they're really concerned about. So this is a good way just to give a subtle plumping appearance to any fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. It gets slightly warm. It actually feels quite relaxing with the heat after a while. Okay, so this is just a slightly deeper wavelength, so I'm going to go over the skin again. So this is starting to flash, it's a little bit bright, but you can go right up around the eye area as well. So good for any crow's feet around there. I'm going to apply some products now. So I'm going to start off with some vitamin C. Use about 3 or 4 drops, and then I'm just going to just press it into your skin. So as we were saying before, this is really good for protecting the skin. It's not a product that you can wash off like a sunscreen, and it helps to protect against aging rays, helps to improve your complexion as well. It doesn't leave a greasy film. It also contains vitamin E, which is slightly hydrating the skin as well. And then use a few drops of hydrating B5 gel. This has got hyaluronic acid in, so it's very absorbent because we also have this in our bodies as well. It's got a really nice gentle feel to it. Nice texture. Are you using this at home?
Yeah. Could you tell?
Yeah.
I like, you know, when you use the first product and you kind of push it against your skin, it's almost like it feels almost like your skin's actually absorbing it.
Yeah.
It feels really nice.
It's got a nice soft feel as well.
It's almost like your skin's a sponge. It's just taking it all in.
Okay, so let's see if we can see any little bits of dead skin cells on the back of the machine.
This is really good to see.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you've seen this before. Yeah. No, normally tell if you look underneath, you might be able to just see some little floaty bits. Yeah, you can see them. Got some dead skin cells there just showing up, and around here as well. So it's quite good because you can see what's come out of your skin and obviously the difference it's made.
Gosh, yeah.
As well. So there you go. That's what's been removed today.